Check out these incredible vibrant mixing bowls. The packaging is also pretty on its own. Even without wrapping, this makes an excellent gift. The bowls feel sturdy and they're adorable. Look at how colorful they are, bringing more fun into your kitchen. This is really the absolute perfect gift for anyone who bakes. The bowls have this pour spout on them, making transferring ingredients even easier. Plus, they're easy to hold, sturdy, and have non-slip bottoms, making you feel even more stable in the kitchen. And by the way, I'd like to thank Styled Settings for sending these to me for review. I really appreciate it. Check out this gift bag as well. It's gorgeous. The utensils come inside of this, but it's already wrapped. You get to open another surprise present when you open this box. And check out their quote. It says, "The secret ingredient is love." How sweet is that? Inside the bag, it's a spatula and it has the same saying on it, and also a cookie cutter attached to it is in a heart shape with an awesome cookie recipe on the back. Even more gifts. The spatula is pretty and fun to look at, and the whisk is super colorful, just making this set even more joyful. What an exciting gift for anyone that loves to bake. I think it's the tiny details that are so unexpected that makes this the absolute perfect gift.